Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very, very well. So one of the easiest ways to make affiliate commissions is to record videos, upload them to YouTube, and then get organic traffic from the second biggest search engine in the world, which is YouTube. Now, I know for a lot of you, that might be quite a daunting prospect. You might think, don't fancy that, Trev. You know, don't fancy my face on camera, etc. I didn't fancy that when I first started, that's for sure. So I understand, I get that. But you don't have to have your face on camera. And so the easiest way to do that, and you may have seen me teach this before, is you simply get Google Slides, you create some slides, you start with one slide, you can go to the sales page, you can copy and paste stuff from the sales page, and then you just read through the slides. So you want to introduce, for example, that this is the name product review. So you say, let's say the product was called List Magic. Then you say, this is my List Magic review, so that the Google algorithm can pick up on that, and that's going to help you to rank. Then you want to say that a few times in your actual video. You also want to make sure that it's the title of the video, and you also want to name the thumbnail that as well, and you also want to put that in the description underneath the video. All of these things are going to help you to rank. Now, you might have no followers, for example, on YouTube. You might think, well, you know, I've got no followers, how am I going to get any sort of traffic and any sales? But you'd be surprised how your video can show up. And let me tell you why. And that is simply because most other JVs do not create review videos. All right, look into that, because you'll see that it's the fact. So that being the case, that gives you a massive advantage, because it puts you up there with the rest of them. Now, this is the way it works. When something is launched, all the big JVs will go and mail their list. They'll send an email to tens of thousands of people talking about the product. All right. Then what happens is people will go to the sales page, because that JV has sent them a link straight to the sales page, and then they'll think, what about bonuses? Anyone doing any bonuses? So they go over to Google, they do a search there, or they'll go over to YouTube, they do a search there, and guess what? Bingo, your video turns up. Now, when you make your video, simply say, if you've enjoyed this, if you're getting value out of this, then please subscribe to my video, give me a thumbs up, say hello in the comments below, etc. to get more engagement. So encourage them to give you engagement. Now, you may have seen that when I do a video review, what I do is I have a link there to the sales page underneath the review, and then I have a link to my review page. Now, in order to have a link to your review page, you need a website. And that is another daunting prospect for a lot of you, I know. But I've got an amazing solution to that. I've got something called the website package, all right? Now, the website package is basically a clone of my site, floss.net, that's done over $2 million in sales. If I show you the stats that I've done in the last 7 days, the last 30 days, yesterday alone, you'll see that this site is really pulling the money in. So there's something about it that works, and you get a clone of that, and we set it up for you. Now, all you need to do is get a domain and hosting, but don't worry, we show you how to do that. We give you training, it's very, very simple. And then once you've got that, you just send the details over to us, and my man Bo, who is absolutely fantastic at this stuff, he'll go in and build your site based on a clone of mine. We import the files, we upload them to your domain, and we set everything up. But we do everything for you, including like the little padlock to make it secure. We connect your autoresponder so that you can collect emails. I give you my amazing pop-up that's generated over 14,000 email addresses. And basically you get a copy of my site so that you can carry on doing what I'm doing. Now, imagine then, if we go back to the YouTube review scenario, when you do your review, you can also send them through to your website, your new website built by us. When they land on your website, you'll get my high converting pop-up. That pop-up will then capture their email address, so you build your list, and then you can mail your next review, all right? So you carry on doing your YouTube videos, you don't have to have your face on camera, just read the slides, you offer them bonuses to increase your conversions, and then you also send them over to your website that we've built for you that has your affiliate links on, has all your contact details on there, but also has that pop-up to generate leads so that you can email, and then when you email, you're going to get more sales. So this is about as done for you as it gets. It really is a fantastic package. It's an absolute bargain at the price that it is. So you'll go through and watch the sales video, and you'll see, well, it's not really a sales video, it's more of an information video on what it is that we're doing for you. But go through and take a look at that, and you'll see what we're doing here. It's very, very popular. Bo is currently working on, I think, about 4 sites that he's building for people. He's backwards and forwards in touch with them, just getting everything done. Literally, he does everything. You don't have to do a thing apart from get that domain and that hosting. But as I said, that's very, very simple, and we show you how to do that. We've got video training how to do that. So that's done very quickly, and the rest of it is all taken care of by us. So if you'd like to scale things up, and you'd like to take things to the next level, and you'd like to have an online presence that you can use for everything. I use my site, floss.net, I use not only for all my reviews, but all of my sales pages, JV pages, for my product launches, etc. It's a really versatile website. You also get your own copy of Divi installed on there, so you don't have to pay for that. We create a logo for you. We put the whole thing, we do the thumbnails. It's all done for you, all right? And it's a great way to get yourself a foundation online. Get yourself actually online so you can start making money online. All right. As always, if you've got any questions about this, the website package, please do let me know. And in the meantime, I wish you all the very best. And if you haven't already gone for it, go for it. It's going to be one of the best investments that you can make in yourself to change your future for the better, for you, for your loved ones, so that you've got more choices in life, so you can really live life. So if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and grab it now and we'll get started on your site. You take care. All the best.